Number 3, we are going to find the value of x and y, then tell what postulate or theorem we use. Okay, so let's take a look here. Let's find x first. So the angle 67 and angle x here is on this line, so we can do a linear pair relationship between them. So we know 67 plus angle x is equal to 180. If we subtract 67 to both sides, we get what x is. So 180 minus 67 is 113. Then we know what y is, because we know x has to be equal to y because they're on the outside and they're alternating. So this is alternate exterior angle. That gives you why x has to be equal to y. So 113 is what x is, and that has to be equal to what y is. Okay. Next, we have b. Well, we know that these two angles are vertical. Vertical angles are congruent. So we can say by vertical angles, y has to be equal to 109. Then we know that this and this are consecutive interior. And because they're consecutive interior, 109 plus x is equal to 180. Subtract 109 to both sides. We get the angle of x is 180 minus 109. That gets you 71 degrees. So angle 1 is 71 degrees. Next, we have these parallel lines. So this is 90. Well, this has to be 90. So x is equal to 90 because of consecutive interior. Okay, so that's 90 plus x is equal to 180. Subtract 90 to both sides, you still get x is equal to 90. Okay, then if this is 90, this has to be 90. Y has to be equal to 90 because x plus y equals to 180, because this forms a line, so we can say this is because of linear pair. We can substitute that 90 in for the x, and we can solve for y, and we get y is equal to 90 degrees. All right, so there you go.